Being in DCP allowed me very unique opportunities to be able to network while I was both in the classroom and outside of it. There were a whole bunch of students that didn't just come from an academic environment, they actually came from different places in their careers. So being able to dialogue with them when we had group projects or even when we were taking on different goals within our journeys, we always had sort of a place to loop back to talk to faculty, to talk to coworkers, to talk to friends, and essentially colleagues that were also taking the program, and really just get an understanding of where we're going and how we can support each other better. So my career has been shaped in so many different ways because of the conversations that I had in the classrooms, even outside the classrooms, with these incredible people that I met along the way. My favorite part of this journey has been being able to work full-time while earning my bachelor's degree through McMaster's degree completion program.
One thing I like about the program is the full autonomy. So I'm working full-time and I'm able to complete my studies. So I've completed the program over 3 years and I've been able to work full-time and continue my career while also continuing my education. What I hope to do once I finish my degree is to focus on my career and progress as much as I can.
I was in my career around 5 years long, and then I decided that, okay, what is the best alternative for me to get a bachelor's degree? Because at that time I was working with different engineering firms. So then I was doing almost the same thing as they were doing, but I just didn't have the pathway to become an engineer. I looked at different alternatives that will help me to continue with my career, that I would not interrupt with my work schedule. So I would recommend this program because it gives a pathway to become an engineer.
I started teaching in the DCP program in the fall of 2006 as a sessional lecturer. I was actually working full-time in industry at the time, and I really enjoyed teaching, and I had the great opportunity to come back and teach a night class as part of the degree completion program in civil. So all of the degree completion programs at McMaster are really unique in Ontario, and perhaps even in Canada, in that it allows students who are coming from a 3-year college diploma to come to university, get credit for those 3 years. Why do I love teaching in the DCP program? There's a lot of different reasons. The big one for me is the fact that I can see people's lives changing, and I like meeting students who have worked and then come back to school because they want to advance their careers, and whatever I can do to help them to do that is very satisfying for me.